Hi guys, it's George here at the 18th Amendment Bar here in Geelong. Today I'm going to make for you one of our biggest selling cocktails on the menu. It is a twist on the Pina Colada. It's called the Capones Colada. Hang around for the end of the video and wait until you see a little bit of theatrics that we have at the end. Alright guys, so I love Pina Coladas. And we wanted to make something a little bit different here at the 18th Amendment, something with a little bit of theatre. It's just our sort of little twist on the Pina Colada, and it's called the Capones Colada. Our first ingredient that we're going to use is Dead Man's Fingers spiced rum. 30 mils or 1 ounce of that. Next up for our coconut element, and to keep it super boozy as well, we're going to use the Dead Man's Fingers coconut rum as well. It's 40% alcohol, so it does have that kick that we're after in a tall drink. I'm going to do 15 mils of just fresh lime juice, just to give it a little bit of a pop of that acidity. I'm going to use 120 mils of pineapple juice, and we're going to add some ice to that and give it a shake. All right, nice and chilled there. So I'm going to strain that into a highball glass. Perfect. I don't want it to fill the glass because for our creamy element, what we do is we get some vanilla bean ice cream and we let it melt, put it into a cream canister gun. And just add it, ooh, like that. Jeez, it's messy, isn't it? Now, for our theatre, what we're going to do is we're going to snap freeze that cream at minus 200 degrees with some liquid nitrogen. Oh, look at it go. Customers love this, by the way. It's another one of those Instagrammable cocktails. I would suggest that you put a little bit less cream in it so it doesn't overflow. Guys, how simple is that? That's the Capones Colada. I'm going to give it a try now though. So we always serve it up with a spoon and a metal straw. The spoon so that we can crack it and eat some of that vanilla bean ice cream. Leaves this really nice crunchiness on top. I can just keep snap freezing that all day. Then we get everyone to just stir in with that spoon all the cream into the rum and the coconut and the pineapple. Too good to waste. Then get a straw. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's really good. If you find that you like everything a little bit sweeter, you could add another, say, 15 mils of sugar syrup. That's a little bit on the dry side. I prefer it that way. That spiced rum is definitely coming through. The coconut rum, the pineapple, the creaminess. As you guys know from some of my other videos, I do like creamy cocktails. Can't drink them all night, but they're fantastic as well. Oh, I've got to say, it's probably one of the best Pina Coladas that I've had. Guys, subscribe, like, have plenty more videos coming up. If you've got a twist on a Pina Colada, let me know what it is on the comments below because we're going to change this on the menu soon and look into some new recipes. Thanks so much. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.